Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the water pump on a 2003 GMC Yukon. Disconnect the battery, drain the coolant into a catch pan, and relieve system pressure. I will walk you through removing the serpentine belt, draining the system, and unbolting the pump while pointing out common corrosion and seal issues. Follow torque specs, replace the gasket, refill with the proper coolant mix, and bleed the system carefully for a reliable repair. First, loosen the belt tensioner and slide the serpentine belt off the pump pulley to free the assembly. Drain the coolant so you don't spill when removing hoses, then detach hoses and clear any brackets blocking access. Unbolt the pump evenly to prevent distortion, inspect the mounting surface, and clean it thoroughly. Keep bolts organized, compare the old pump to the new one, and replace any worn hardware for a clean installation. Position the new pump with the correct gasket or sealant and hand start bolts to align the flange before tightening to torque specs. Reinstall any brackets, hoses, and the serpentine belt, then refill the cooling system with the recommended coolant mix. Bleed air from the system by running the engine and watching the temperature and coolant level, topping off as needed. Finally, inspect for leaks and recheck torque after a short test drive for peace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.